So fine, the first trade is closed. Okay, so it's done. We have $40 on the account. Fine, so it's also done. We have $77 on the account. Because from here, we're highly likely to receive pullback correction and start dropping towards the bottom line of the flat channel. Nothing interesting, a very simple trade. Moreover, as you can see, our initial deposit is just $11. It's like very small one, guys, just 11 bucks in the account from the beginning. We're using only short time period of just 1 minute, and we're investing our whole deposit in each trade in order to save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. Okay, so that's it. Let's wait until time runs out and we see the result of this trade. So fine, the first trade is closed and we have 21 bucks on the account. Let me check AUD USD. Okay, so this is almost the same kind of scenario that we had in the previous trade. We had head and shoulders pattern previously, but it failed to perform. So that's why we're once again moving in the flat channel. And according to the current movement, the bad things that we can do is just open buy positions that we have already done, investing our, once again, whole deposit. We invested $21 in this trade. Everything is evident. Price has hit the bottom line of the flat channel. Now we are receiving the pullback correction. So let's just relax and wait until the time runs out and we see the result of this trade also. Okay, so it's done. We have $40 on the account. Let's press it further, guys. Here, price was moving in the descending channel, but then it was stopped by the support line zone. We started receiving the pullback reaction, which finally turned into a short-term upgoing correction. So that's why let's change our investment to 40 bucks and open buy position on the continuation of the current growth. Because according to the current candle formation, we can observe the beginning. It's not even the short-term upgoing correction now anymore. It looks like the beginning of the upgoing trend, the reversal moment in this trend that we had previously. So that's why let's try to hold this buy position and see what it will bring to us. Fine, so it's also done. We have $77 on the account. Let me open AUD NZD. Okay, so here we have already touched the upper edge of the flat channel from which we started receiving the pullback correction. I have opened sell position here, investing my 77 bucks here. And as you can see, price is not going to drop. We are trying to show the bullish consumption. But I hope, yep, buyers failed to do this and price started moving down. Okay, for now it looks like the bearish hammer. So it's good, it's good, it's good. So let the candle close like this. Now it's a bullish dodge. Now it's a bearish dodge. It's a bearish hammer. Once again, it's a bullish dodge. Just several seconds left until the time runs out. It's a very risky situation. Once again the bearish hammer, once again the bearish dodge. Okay, fine. So anyway, we did it. We closed this trade with profit and we have $148 on the account. That's good. So my friends, let me find the next currency pair, and while I'm doing this, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TJ, in which you will find the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the best trading sessions like this and moreover, you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Okay guys, while I was talking, I have already opened one more buy position on the BHDCNI chart. Why did I do this? Firstly, because we have touched the bottom line of the fractal band channel, and together with this is not only the bottom line of the channel, but this is also the support line. And of course, we started receiving the pullback reaction from the zone, and now we're growing as fuck. Just look at this big, huge green candle. It looks amazing, and our entry point is just at the beginning of this huge bullish candle. So everything is going really nice. We just need to wait for around 10 seconds until the time runs out for this trade, and we will see the results of it. Okay, just several seconds left, and yep, it's done. We have $275 right now on the account. Remember, at the very beginning we had around $11 on the account. Now we have 275. Okay, let me open AUD USD. Here, let's first of all change our investment from 140 to 2050 and open buy position in the continuation of the current growth. Everything is very simple. First of all, price is trying to break through the upper edge of the current upgoing channel. This is also the trend line. If we're likely, let's say in other words, if we succeed to break through the upper edge, then we will gather the stop losses of the sellers, and with this fuel of liquidity, we will continue growing more and more. So that's why let's just observe. For now, we can see that we have already made the new local high, and price just needs to confirm this upgoing moment, and for now it's trying to do this. If yes, this is a non-stop growth for at least the next 3-5 candles. Let me see, almost done. And yep, anyway, we have closed this trade with profit, and we have around $505 in the account. I think we have enough time for the last trade for today, so let's don't waste our time that we have now, and finally focus on the other currency pair for today's trading session. So just give me several seconds, please, and we will do this. Okay, let me open EUR/HAV. According to this chart, what do we have? Firstly, let's change our investment to $400 and open sell position. Why did I do this? Let me explain you. First of all, we hit the second time the support line zone. First one was unsuccessful. We started receiving pullback reaction. It realized into short-term upgoing correction. After this, we once again tried to hit this level, and look at this, we broke through it. We have broken through it, we did it, and according to the ADX, we're now in the strong sell zone, and we have enough power to continue dropping more and more. So that's why I have opened the sell position, and right now we're making the new local low. We're making the new local low right now. Yes, I would be honest, our entry point is quite risky, but if price is going to drop, it will drop from here exactly. No more corrections, no more pullbacks, only drop. Yep, I was right. We have around $873 on the account. Imagine at the very beginning we had $11, and within 10 minutes we have turned them into $873. So if you want to do the same results like me, it's absolutely possible. All you need is just right now open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TJ. I am waiting for you, my friends. I wish you the best day ever. See you all, and bye bye.